Hey guys, one sec. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to today's stream. Let's see here. I don't like the color of that light. Really don't like the color of that light. Don't want to see Jeb's haircut? You're gonna love it. Reconnect, come on. So today's gonna be a fun day, guys. Welcome, welcome. Hey, Animax. Hey, Pepe. Pepe is in the house. Christian says I need a haircut ASAP. No. Trust me, you don't want to see me with a haircut. Alright, what do we want to do? Blue? Teal? Yeah. Or like that. Okay. Bloody hell, it's Thomas Brush, isn't it? That's right. Welcome, guys. So, today's gonna be a fun one. It's gonna be a really fun one. Y'all wanna see Jeb? Okay, let's see Jeb. Alright. Oh, Jebby. Come here, buddy. Come on. Up, up, up. Yeah. Want me to scratch your belly? Yeah. Nice. A kissy? I love you. You go take a nap? Okay. Imagine if his wife came in. Alright, guys. Let's get to it today. Alright, so what we got accomplished was, or what we accomplished yesterday, was we got all the ammo done. So I'm gonna hit play here to show you. We got all this ammo created, and we're working on the crosshairs right now for each weapon. So that one we need to do, but the shotgun, that's great. I love the shotgun's crosshair. Gravity gun isn't done yet. That looks good to me, and that's incorrect. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into Photoshop, and we're gonna take a look at our, let's see here, UI. There we go. All right, guys, let's come up with a, a rifle. So a rifle crosshair would be, honestly, something like this and something like this combined, you know? Let's try that. Like that. Does that seem like a rifle to you guys? The crosshair is probably not going to be very dynamic, to be honest, guys. It's just going to be pretty chill. Nothing crazy. Although today I might want to do some, speaking of dynamic, I might want to do some screen shake today. It's alright, buddy. It's just a puppy talk. It's just a puppy talking. Are you okay? Yeah. That's a good boy. Yeah. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. So let's save that out. We're going to go into our sprite manager here. So if you type in UI, you'll see the UI is right here. Good, sprite editor. Remember, it's 19 by 19. Yep. Okay, and we're just going to try and center up as best we can, and this is going to be called UI rifle. And then hit apply, and then we're going to go to our weapon manager, right? And then just drag that crosshair in. UI rifle. There it is. We're going to drag it in, make sure it's set to 1:1 and then 1.2. Let's take a look how it looks. So that's the shotgun. That's the rifle. What do we think? I think it's a little too much going on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this live. I'm going to go ahead and, oopsie, jump into here. Good. Is this all one thing? No, it's not. So we're going to merge these together. We've got weird sound effects going. I don't know what those are. And all we're going to do is, yeah, we're going to delete this. I really don't know what those are. You hear those little clicks? Weird. All right, let's try that. Oh, that feels a lot better. Yeah. That feels good to me. All right, let's move on to the next one. The next one is going to be, well, we already did our Luger. We already did our shotgun. We did the MP40. We did the rifle. So let's do the rocket launcher. You said add a gap in the middle to the T one just to try it? Okay. This might be cool. Like this? Like a little, like this? Whoopsie. You saying something like that? Save that. Let's try it out. Could try it a little bit bigger, maybe. Nah, I don't like that. It was worth a shot, though. It was worth a shot. Okay, so for the rocket launcher, I actually think I do want to do just an arrow. So the way we're going to do that is we're just going to boop, boop. So something like this for our rocket launcher, I think is fine. All right, good deal. Go into Unity here. Go into our UI, double click. Oopsie, not double click. Go to our sprite editor here and just go to 19 by 19. 19 by 19. Good, okay. And this is gonna be called UI Rocket Launcher. Let's hit apply. Although Rocket Launcher. Okay, who's spamming? Why do I get so many spammers here? Is Law in the house? Where's Law when you need him? All right, ban everything. All right, we'll ban everything. One sec, guys. Let me do some banning here. You guys ready? Let's go. Let's do some banning. All right. All right, you are banned. And also, let's just...
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
All right. Not really a timeout. That's just getting banned. All right. Hey, guys. Let's go ahead and put this crosshair on this rocket launcher here. Okay, let's go to our... is it ready to go? It is ready to go. Okay. So let's go to our weapon manager now. And we're going to go to our rocket launcher. And we just drag in the new UI. And this is UI rocket launcher. There it is. Just drag that in, and its crosshair size is set to 1. That's good. All right, let's hit play and check it out. Check it out. Take a look. I don't like it. I have a better idea. You guys watch this. You'll squeal with excitement. Promise. We'll do something like this. And something like this. Like this. So they're going to be nice and even. And then we're going to merge all of them together. Like this. And then I'm just going to take, honestly, the first 3 are all I really want. By first 3, I mean the first 3 pixels on each one. Copy those. Yep, save it. I think that's correct. Let's take a look. Yeah, that might look cool. Okay. Jebcam. Oh man, guys, I don't have that camera. I'm sorry. I need to get a Jebcam here in a bit. It's just a webcam. I don't have that with me. Okay, so 19 by 19 is not working for that one. So what I need to do, I think I could probably scale it up a little bit bigger. Just why not? As long as it's uniform. Uniform like cuneiform. So we could do 25 by 25. I think we could get away with that. Let's try this. Hit apply and then hit play. Nope, didn't work. Mother effer. Hold on, guys. We're gonna figure this out together. We're gonna pop this boy over into here, pop this boy over into here, and then pop this boy over into here. I have a feeling that this is not centered properly. I think that looks better. Anyway, let's try it. All right, 19 by 19. There we go, guys. All right, that should do it for our rocket launcher. Not bad. Let's turn this off here and save, and then hit maximize on play. I kind of like it. And then we need to get the gravity gun. So the gravity gun is going to be an interesting... I feel like it should be dots. So let me show you this. We're going to take this circle, and we're going to drag it on over to about right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to erase... let's see here. Yeah. Erase that, erase that, erase that, erase that, erase that. Erase that. That. Whoops. We're just trying to create a sort of dotted circle. And we'll probably make it a little bit less dotted once we're done with this first pass. Whoopsie. Oh, good. All right, so now let's do less dots. Delete these two. So we're just deleting every dot, every other dot. Okay. Ah, that feels a lot better, Frank. Thank you. So there's our gravity gun. I'm down. What if I told you that I wanted to remove these? What would that look like? Kind of interesting. What about this? I think actually, because we've got prongs on the gravity gun, let's see here. Yeah, we've got 4 prongs. So that might actually be cool to have like 4 sort of squares. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do dot, dot, dot. That's pretty cool. Ah! Is that a square? All right. We need to move these 2 over. And I believe we could put one in the center. Oh, I'm wrong. We move these both over by 1 and then move the over by 2. Nope. Is that the center? I think it is. Okay, that looks like a cool gravity gun. I like it. So let's take this, merge them together. Oops. And then we're gonna go call this gravity gun. Okay? So that's about all we want to do for our weapons, guys. Got our different crosshairs for our weapons. They honestly feel great to me, and that's what I'm all about. Is I just want to make sure it feels right. I don't care what's accurate or historically accurate or whatever, or making it cool. My focus is always on, does it feel good when I look at it? When I pull that trigger, does it feel good? And to me, what I've got here currently feels pretty good. All right, that's the gravity gun. Let's hit apply, and then we're gonna go to our weapon manager. Let's go to our UI, and then we're gonna go to gravity gun. Just drag that in. Once we get these done, guys, we're gonna go ahead and, try and tweak some of the UI while we're at it. I think I might want to tweak the UI of the health. But let's take a look at all of our weapons. What was that? I just saw the wrong one. And then the gravity gun is wrong. Okay, for some reason the gravity gun is wrong. Why is the gravity gun wrong? I think I put it in the wrong one. But notice how they're all the same size, which is awesome. That's what we want. Okay, so we have a problem here. Yes, the thumbnail's wrong. Ouch, sorry. So for some reason the guns aren't showing in their proper place. Oh, yes, they are. Good. Okay, look, guys, we have icons down there for the weapons. So that's pretty cool. Kind of like that. But I don't know if I want to work on that just yet. All right, let's look at the gravity gun. Where's the gravity gun? Did I collect it? There it is. Gravity gun looks awesome. I love that. All right, guys. So everything looks really, really good. I think I might want to just try one weapon, okay? Just one weapon icon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this shotgun here. And I'm going to turn on the lights and the effects. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to drag this all the way up into the sky. Okay? There's our shotgun. And I'm going to rotate the screen a little bit. And I'm going to take a screenshot. Okay, so there's our shotgun. What I could do is bring this into the game here. Okay, it looks like we need a... That's kind of cool, actually. It's kind of cool. What if I made the background a green screen? And let me try something out, guys. We're going to create a new... This is going to be interesting. We're going to create a new document. It's going to be 3840 by 2160. And these are going to be weapon profiles. Okay? This is going to be fun. Okay? If I get a green screen here... So let's go ahead and just... do this really quick. These are going to appear at the bottom right hand of the screen. I'm not sure if we want them to even be there, to be completely honest. I really want to be able to move this over. There we go. Okay, so it's, I believe it's our camera. It really needs to be a solid color. It needs to be like green. Okay. All right, so we're seeing the skybox for some reason still. So how can I remove that? Does anybody know how I can remove the skybox? That's the only way. Which, you know, is interesting. It's fine, I guess. Let's try that. So we take a screenshot, drag it in, and we're going to turn off contiguous. Rasterize. And then tolerance 5. Is that better? Okay. We're gonna try that out. So this is going to be the first test, guys. We have the shotgun. Save it as weapon profile. Go to Unity here. I want to go back in time because I just screwed up everything. Wait, not that far. Try that. Okay, I don't think everything. Let's double check. Sorry, I think I might have screwed up some stuff. The gravity gun got screwed up. Yep, gravity gun got screwed up. So we go back to our weapon manager. Sorry guys, we're backtracking here. Going to our weapon manager here, and then we're just gonna go to crosshair, or actually UI gravity gun. Okay, and after this, then what we can do is we can check out this character profile. Okay, so remember that shotgun we created in that weapons profile? We can go to our weapon profile here, image. There it is. We're gonna set it to sprite, multiple. I like it to be full rect. Go sprite, hit apply, and then we're just gonna drag a box around this, and we're just gonna see how this looks. So this is gonna be weapon profile shotgun. Okay, we're just gonna see how it looks in the game. I don't know. I like to see my weapons as I'm using them. So I mean, I could be wrong. I could be wrong about how this should look. Whoops, sorry. What is this? Weapon manager. There we go. All right, so we would just drag it to right here. It's got a thumbnail. So this is going to be profile. Yep, right here. All right, let's hit apply. All right, so when we collect our shotgun, it should show up right down there. Which, you know, is pretty small. So let's make a decision here. Let's go to our canvas. And we're going to go to our full rectum. That's right. Thomas is master of full rect. Nice. A1MD asked a good question. Thomas, is the weapon manager a product of me? Or is it a product of the asset store? Guys, everything that we're using right now in terms of the game kit was created by AJ. And AJ is a friend of mine, an 18-year-old genius. And I hired him to create a game kit for me for my classic 3D shooter. This game kit will be available probably in September if you guys want to use it. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to our weapon image right here. See that? And I'm going to just drag in the shotgun right away and go to set native size. See that? So that's how big it actually is. It's pretty massive. So honestly, you know, what we need to do is we need to go to the weapons profile here. And we need to make it low res now. There we go. And it's going to be point no filter. And also remove matte. Hit apply. There we go. Matte's removed. Still, that's a little low resi, isn't it? So maybe 512. I like that. I don't know why there's blue showing up, but I think I know why. Let's hit set native size. Okay, good. So the native size is still 1683 by 393 no matter what the compression is. So we're going to need to scale this down. But what matters, guys, what matters is the, and we'll flip it. We'll flip it. Let's flip it inside Photoshop. What matters is not necessarily the size being consistent across all weapons. What matters is the proportion, okay? Because if you put it in a different image, you don't want it to look like this. You want to be able to swap these out equally, okay? So how's it look in game? Cool. That's pretty sweet, actually. I don't know if I like it, but it makes me feel old school, so that's good. Feeling old school is always the goal. I really want my weapons to be old school. So let's hit play and take a look. If I scroll on over here. Okay. It's kind of useless, you know? It's kind of useless to even show it. What's the point of this, guys? Can y'all help me out with this for a sec? What's the point of showing an image down there? Should I rather put it at the top of the screen up here, towards the top left, and then sort of show it appear and then fade out? What's the point? It is useless. You're seeing the shotgun. I agree. It just makes the game look worse. Yeah, there's no use. Okay, there's no point. I feel like what we would want to do is show like the key bindings but that's I don't want to get into that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disable the weapon image. To play here. Now the ammo down there, that's important. So maybe that's a better image. Instead of it being a weapon image, it's ammo. I think it needs to be an ammo icon. That's probably what a better approach would be. Okay. So first things first, let's just oh, and by the way, guys, I wanted to let you know that there are 3 coupon codes available. And by the way, these ad reads help support the channel and they keep me streaming. But there are actually 3 coupon codes available for fulltimegamedev.com. I have over 1,800 students at my online platform where I teach not only how you can make a game from scratch in 2D and 3D, but I also teach you with 30 hours of content about how I actually went full time. Believe it or not, I went full time with just a demo, and I did this multiple times, and you can too with the right training. Like I can't make any promises, but I can tell you what I did, and that is how to secure 6 figures in funding from publishers, and how to secure 6 figures in funding from Kickstarter. And you do this with just a demo. And believe it or not, it's not just as easy as making a game. There's actually a lot of marketing tricks that I teach. I've got 1,800 students worldwide, really great reviews. And actually, usually in the chat over here, I usually have students hang out. So if you guys are in the chat and you're in the programs, please say hi. But anyway, there's three coupon codes available. Click the link below. Use that promo code to get 40% off and join the community. It's an awesome Discord community, very helpful community, and also, most importantly, the cherry on top is we do bi-monthly mastermind meetings where we hang out together in a small group and we talk and we learn and we ask questions and we review each other's work, and it's just a lot of fun. So if that interests you guys, I'll see you there. And for those of you who hate this ad read, I totally understand. There is a link below if you want to get a free game kit. So if you want my free 2D game kit that I used for PewDiePie, I made a game for PewDiePie in 14 days and live streamed it with him playing the game in front of his audience. So if that's interesting to you, download that free game kit. Use it however you want, commercially or just personally as a hobby. I don't care. It's my treat to you. All right, guys. So I kind of want to get all the UI looking really pretty today. Like I think that actually might be where I focus my energy. So I'm starting to think that these weapon images, instead of being weapons, you just show the icon for the ammo, right? So we could go to our UI here and we could actually just, remember the ammo boxes we were creating? We could kind of go in and maybe create icons for the various weapon ammo. So let's go over to, actually, I want to see how Half-Life does it. Half-Life 2. Half-Life 1, not Half-Life 2. Half-Life 1 UI. Okay. So there's no icon. It just says ammo. Okay. I like that. Super simplistic too. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're literally just gonna do an icon. So I want to do ammo. Let's type in ammo, see what we get. Okay. And then I'm gonna scale this down. And obviously, you know, we don't want any of that anti-aliasing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually try and trace it with a pencil. Okay. And get that bullet look. Might need to be 3 wide with a tip like that and then over like that. See? So there's our ammo. There's our ammo icon at least. Does that make sense, guys? We're gonna convert that to a smart object, and there is our ammo. Let's drag that down here. Go to Unity, and we'll add glows and all sorts of cool effects to make the UI look really, really pretty. No, no, no. I did not make all the 3D assets myself. This game is a lot of different types of... I kind of want to make that smaller. Shoot. No, yeah, I didn't make all the assets myself, guys. I would never say that. This game is, what I've learned is, and you'll see this in my next vlog, this game is more of a therapeutic experience for me because I'm learning that you can make games that look like your own, but you don't have to be so stressed. Save that. Yeah, you don't have to be so stressed, guys. You can accept help. It's okay. All right, let's take a look and see how this looks here. I don't mind doing 19 by 19 again. Well, yeah, I do at that point. Yeah, let's do 13 by 13. Just give it some breathing room for now. This could be called UI ammo. We're gonna hit apply. Okay, and we're just gonna put it actually. We're gonna create our own. Where is it? There we go. So that's a weapons image. I'm gonna duplicate that and we're gonna call this ammo icon. We're gonna turn that on and it's going to be at the bottom right hand corner. Drag it over. There it is. Set native size. Boy. That thing's tiny. And that's okay. So we're gonna do a width of 40 by 40. How about 150 by 150? How about 100 by 100? And we're gonna just position it over to about right here. And while you're making your UI, guys, you wanna make sure that you're constantly changing the size of your screen to make sure it's all adapting properly, okay? That's super duper important. And then the ammo value, we really don't need it to have a backdrop like that. So let's see here. What is that? Yeah, what's that yellow? I don't really need that. Ah, yes, it's just an image. We don't need that. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the text here. We're going to increase the font size, but we're going to make sure that it's overflow. Overflow, there it is. And we'll go to our game view here and just if we select the actual, there we go. It's gonna be nice and centered. I would say it should be left aligned. Now we got a problem here. What is that? Is it the position here? Why is it doing that? There we go. Okay, guys. So nice and clean here. Very clean. There we go. Let's take a look how it looks in game view. All right, it could probably be a little bit bigger. So 110, maybe 130, or 140. And then the ammo icon could be smaller. So 85 by 85 by 85. No, let's do it even cleaner. 65 by 65. There we go. And all we want to do, guys, is we want to make sure that this is always adapting properly. So the best thing you can do is go to free aspect and just scale. So pull the game window out like this. Hold on. There we go. And scale it and just see what happens. Okay. by 1080. Yeah. 740. That looks pretty good, actually. I think that's great. What about this? Yeah. And 4K even. That looks great. Okay, good. Good. All right, guys. So this right side looks pretty good. What I'm actually going to do is the ammo panel itself, I can actually shift that over a little bit like this. I'm not going to be too particular about how clean all this is. I don't mind decimal numbers and stuff, and I'm not going to line things up perfectly. But that looks great to me. Now we got to choose the right font. Okay, so there's a font that I use. what's it called? Dogica Pixel. So this is the font we're going to be using for our... So if I wrote down 45, what would I get? Yeah, I like that. Pretty cool. Okay, so Dogica. We need to drag that in. So all you do is you find the font on your computer. Like I can't find it. Got to go to font book. And as you can see here, there's Dogica. We can show in Finder. There it is. Copy that. And I'll buy a license for this, most likely. What I mean is, I'm gonna need a license, so I'll probably buy one. And if I can't buy it, that if for some reason the creator doesn't want to offer it, then I'm gonna need to find another one. So we're gonna create a new fonts folder inside the other. There we go. And then I'm just gonna go reveal in Finder, and then I'm just gonna paste those fonts in. There we go. I don't like this song. See ya. How's everybody doing in the chat? Just checking on everybody. Yep, Adam, we're going to add a lot of post-processing effects. That's great advice. Feel free, guys, to read Adam's comment. That's great advice. All right, so we got all these fonts here. The rendering mode, we don't want it to be smooth. We want it to be crisp. OS default, maybe? Let's start with smooth and see what we get. But I really don't want any anti-aliasing. I want it to be crisp, okay? So let's go to our ammo value. And what it's going to be is actually having it left aligned is actually what I want to do, or right aligned. And then I'm going to drag it over. Where is it? There it is right here. Because I want it to be able to scale, like if I get 1,000 bullets, I want it to be like that. See? So that's what I'm going to do with that. Now, I'm going to drag this over. And one of the graphic design principles you guys should always be thinking of is you should be thinking a square should be able to fit into this corner here. At least that's what I like to do. So make sure the margins are clean on both sides and equal. Okay, so there's our ammo value of, let's just make it 100. Okay, and now we can drag in our pixel font. I don't really like it. I don't. Unfortunately, I don't like it. We have a different one. What is it? Let's double check. Yeah, that's not the right font. Is it? I don't think that's the right font. There's another pixel font that I use that's much cleaner. I guess it's Dogica. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Son of a bee. Maybe if I make it smaller. Let's see here. Let's shrink the size a little bit. You know, that one's weird. It just needs to be Dogica. That's just strange to me. What does 99 say? Okay, that looks a little bit better. Okay, I think we're okay. All right, and we'll position it over just a little bit. Okay, just like that. Okay, so if they get 1,000, that's what it's going to look like. If they get 234, That's what it's gonna look like. I like it. Okay, so let's hit play here. Make sure that's set to 0. Hit play. Yeah, I think it needs ammo icons. I think I need to do that. Shells, rockets, bullets. Yeah. Yeah, interesting. Okay, let's try it out. So this is gonna be interesting. We're gonna do some pixel art really quick, guys. All right, so this is our shotgun shells. I feel like they look more like shotgun shells like this, maybe? No. Okay, that's our shotgun shells, so that's ammo. Shotgun. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go down the line and create different ammo icons. For the axe, it's gonna be nothing. There's no ammo, so it's gonna be a blank sprite. For the rifle, we're gonna go to noun project here. We're gonna type in bullet. We're gonna look for the longer ones. Yeah. So this is the one we're gonna try and replicate with pixel art. Okay? Gonna be really, really old school here. So let's do lines up, down, and then one other tip here. All right, that's the general idea. Okay, good. It'll be interesting to try and fit all this into a perfect pixelated space. Yeah, we don't have a lot of room to work with here. You know, that's the problem. Gonna need to be 3 by 3. You go like this. Interesting. It's gonna be tough. I feel like we need to go bigger for this stuff here. So for this one, you know, for the shotgun, yeah. Let's try out why. Oh, Photoshop keeps doing this. Okay. So wherever that, oh, jeez. We need to open up Photoshop again. So yeah, I think we need a little bit more control over the detail of the actual bullets right here. The ammo icons. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create one. I can just go from memory here. So for shotgun shell, let's actually do the one that's the most detailed. So we're gonna do a bullet. That is like a rifle bullet, okay? So they sort of go out a little bit, like this. And then they have a tip that's 2. There we go. And then you just add a little bit of a base. Okay, so there's our rifle bullets. Good. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's convert this to a smart object, and what we're gonna do is gonna go ammo, rifle. Let's double check this. The reason I'm double checking it like this, being so careful, is because I don't want it to be super pixelated on the bottom right hand of the screen, but these are low res. I just feel weird about that. So, crap. Yeah, I really do feel weird about that. But, okay. Let's hit apply. Let's try this one more time. And remove the black here. There we go. Does that bother me? Let's take a look. It doesn't. Especially if I go get a weapon. Let's take a look here. Yeah, that doesn't bother me. Okay, that doesn't bother me, okay? That's good news. Let's rasterize it. And then what I'm gonna do is separate them out just a little bit here, like this. All right, so we got our rifles done. That's good. The rifle's ammo is complete. So we'll put that over here, and then what we're gonna do is just turn this into a into actual bullets. So in the case of a bullet, like a pistol bullet, it would be this. See? That's about it right there. So there's our pistol bullets. And they could be smaller even if we wanted to. There's our pistol bullets. That's ammo pistol. Ammo rifle. And I think the best way to do like a in between for like the machine gun is maybe it's just a little bit smaller, like that. For yeah, for the machine gun, maybe we can do like 4 or something. No, I think 3 should be fine. Maybe really make these dramatically smaller. Yeah. So you sort of have a scaling effect going. See? Okay, and then hey, let's do some shotguns. Shotgun shells. So the shotgun shells would literally just fill in to about right here. Shotgun shells. Double check. Do we need law? You want me to do camera shake? All right, let's take a look and see what a shotgun shell looks like. Are there any interesting features? Yes, okay, it's the bottom. Okay, that's good news. So we're gonna remove that. And it comes up to about right here. And then we just draw with the pencil right here. And what we're gonna need to do is separate them out a little bit wider. So there's our shotgun shells. Convert that to a smart object. So we have shotgun ammo, we have rifle ammo, we have automatic, and then we have pistol. And then the gravity gun does not have ammo. There's rockets. Okay, so let's go ahead and find out what a rocket looks like. And this is called Noun Project. I pay a monthly fee for this, or a yearly fee, because it's that valuable to me. I use it all the time. So seriously, a rocket's going to be pretty straightforward. Yeah, honestly, it's just going to be one of these, but scaled up pretty big. Okay. Transform, flip horizontal. And then whoa. Merge these together. There's our rocket. And then you will cut through the center of it. Yep. About right here. No, you actually do something like this. And then at the bottom, we could do like wings. Yeah. Probably needs to be up. I'm okay with that. Whoops. All right. Almost there, guys. Transform, flip horizontal. By the way, guys, we do Q&As. So we're going to be doing a Q&A in, I would say, maybe 20 minutes. So if you want to stick around, we'll be doing a Q&A then. All right, so we just separate these out. So there's plenty of room to change out the shape. And, you know, we could change the color later in Unity if we wanted to. Okay. All right, save it. Go into Unity here. We're going to go to our UI, and we're just going to create each one. So this is, there are 30, let's do 35 by 35. That seems fine. Is that going to fit that? Is that going to fit that? Yeah. So 35 by 35 is good. So this is going to be UI, ammo, pistol. Let's do another 35 by 35. UI, ammo, and this is going to be automatic. What was it, 30? 35. 35 by 35, and this is going to be rifle. And then this one's going to be 35 by 35. This is shotgun. Okay. And then one final one, UI, ammo, rocket. And you know, guys, I used to do this whole process of creating games a lot differently. I used to do it sort of piecemeal. I would make one weapon and then I would just wait and see if I needed another one. But now, now I like to get things done early, stuff like this, so that I can have more fun implementing the story. So trying to get all of the mechanics out of the way and the look and feel out of the way. Okay. So it looks like the ammo is gonna work pretty good for us. All we gotta do now is, remember we have this ammo icon here? We're actually gonna delete that. That's not what we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using the weapon image right here, and it's just gonna contain the image of the ammo, okay? So for example, let's go to ammo pistol. We're gonna drag that in. We're gonna go to simple, set native size, and let's scale it up to about 50 by 50. Good. And then we're gonna position it to the right. There we go. And we gotta make sure we fix something here. So make sure everything is nice and centered. Yeah. Same with that. Okay. Hit apply. Now it's centered up pretty good. And now if we go to our weapon manager. Come on, weapon manager. Stop. If we go to our weapon manager here, each weapon is going to have a thumbnail, right? Which is going to be none. Good. Okay, so there's no thumbnail for the knife. There is a thumbnail for the pistol. It's going to be this right here. Good. And then there's a thumbnail for the shotgun. It's right here. There's a thumbnail for the rocket launcher, which is here. There's a thumbnail for... There's no thumbnail for the gravity gun, so we're going to just remove that completely. There's no ammo for the gravity gun. And the automatic, we need to do the same, which is going to be automatic right here. And the rifle, which is going to be this. So the theory is, guys, that everything should work perfectly now. So that dash down there will remove with the code, because that's being added with the code. But let's go on over here and collect all of our weapons. So we've got rifle ammo. We've got no ammo for the gravity gun. We got shotgun. That's a little bit... Yeah, it's not centered properly, and I know why. It's because it's pixelated, and it's just really hard to do that. So let's save that, try it again. There we go. And then we've got pistol ammo. And then that. And then rockets. Hey, let's see here. Sweet, I like it. I like it a lot. What happens when I get to 0? Okay, good. All right, now let's go ahead and start working on the coins UI. Believe it or not, there's going to be coins in this game. You can't really have a game. You just can't have a game, a classic game, without collecting coins. I love coins. So we're going to do a health bar, and then we're also going to do coins. So typically with health, you would do a health bar of some kind, but because this is like a classic Half-Life game, I'm going to have a shield icon or a heart icon, maybe with a cross in it or something, and that's your health. So before we do that, guys, before we do that, I'm going to use the restroom. So I will be right back. Okay? See if you guys can set a timer. I bet you I can use the restroom in 2 minutes. I'm back, I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. No, we're not ending the stream. Get back here. Get back here. By the way, guys, there are coupon codes still available for fulltimegamedev.com. You can join over 1,800 students. 1,800 of my students worldwide. Great reviews. If you're in my course, feel free to say hi in the chat, guys. Feel free to let people know what you think about the program. But anyway, the program is 40% off right now, but only for 3 students for today. I don't always do promo codes during my live streams, but today we've got 3 promo codes available. These sell out within the first day. They always, like clockwork, they always sell out. So if you want to learn everything if you want to learn everything about, I guess everything that I've learned in becoming a full-time game developer and making this your dream job and doing what I do, I could teach you everything I've learned. It's 30 hours of content. Jebby, just turned off my light. 30 hours of content, and gonna teach you a ton of stuff you can learn about making games, making a demo and securing 6 figures of funding from that demo. From publishers, but also from crowdfunding. I've done that multiple times. 6 figures in funding twice. So there's tricks you guys can learn, and I'm going to teach those to you. And also, I'm going to teach you how to secure funding from publishers and teach you how to avoid all of the pitfalls that come with working with publishers. I'm going to teach you all of that stuff. So if you're interested, guys. Oh, and by the way, forgot to mention, I'm going to teach you how to make a game from scratch, a 2D game using code and artwork, and then also teach you how to make a 3D game as well, with the help of my friend David Whaley. So if you guys are interested, it's a highly rated course. The refund rate is ridiculously low. If you guys are interested in reading the reviews are super positive. I have a lot of happy students. So feel free to check out the program and use that promo code below for 40% off and start your indie game journey. And I'll see you there. And if it doesn't work for you, hey, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's always cool. No questions asked. Okay, so we have a little heart here. Nice, I actually like this heart a lot. So that's going to be our health icon. I wonder if there's ways in which... Is Law in town? Where's Law? Law, are you here? Is Law with us? Welcome to Beyond the Guitar. Hello, Beyond the Guitar. How are you? It's always good to see you, Nathan. Hope you're doing well. All right, we're going to put a little upside down cross in this heart. Crosses are always creepier, guys, if you have it like this, really thin. But I don't know if we can get away with that. We'll try that out. Is Law in town? Sri. Holy mackerel. Sweet. Okay, Sri.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
Not only that, you are officially banned forever, Sri. Can I get a round of applause? Sometimes Thomas needs to take the law into his own hands. Yummy, yummy? Oh my goodness. We got more Law.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
To be distributed. Okay, Law, or Rector, you're gone too. Alright. Alright. I know, we do need some mods. Who wants to be a mod? Who wants to be a mod? I need to write AJ Tech. Okay, AJ, you are with us. AJ, what? I thought you were supposed to be asleep, buddy. All right, well, we got a new mod in town, and that is AJ, and he's also the coder of the game. Welcome, AJ.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
All right. I love that. Welcome, AJ. Thank you for joining the mod team. Be sure to put people in timeouts or, I mean, string them up and hang them. I mean, I really don't care. I'm too busy playing God to, I don't know, to protect you guys. Okay, there's our potential heart. Okay, let's save it out. And we'll put this heart down here. All right. Hang them by the nuts. Oh my goodness. You guys are just horrible people. I'm a good person. Y'all are terrible. You know, so I guess just remember that next time you're lying in bed at night and thinking about whether you're a good person. Just know that you're not as good as Thomas. So that's just, honestly, that's all I really wanted to say. All right, let's go to the sprite editor here, and we're gonna, that mother effing heart is right here, and I can't get to it because that's so annoying. Unity, wow. Wow. I'm gonna, 35 by 35? Okay, let's do 35 by 35. That's UI heart. We'll shrink it down a little bit. 30 by 30. We'll hit apply. Okay, this music is crap. Uh-oh. AJ, where are you, buddy? Can you Vanch? Can you just send Vanch into the oblivion? Rowan, you are now a mod. Welcome, Rowan.
I'ma put you in a timeout.
All right, and AJ just did another ban. Good job.
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
All right, I like it. All right, so we got a little heart here. This is taking too long because you guys aren't keeping control of the people. All these serfs. My kingdom is being perverted by a bunch of low-life serfs. All right. AJ Tech, good job, buddy. All right, anyway. I'm not able to focus today. Let's go ahead and jump into the canvas here, and you'll notice that we have, let's see here, there's a health text. Yeah, health panel. We don't need this to be here. We need an actual image here. So what we're gonna use is this little weapon image here. Paste it here. We're gonna drag it on over and just put it on this side. Equal distance, but this is going to be hot. What? What? No. So that heart is tiny. Let's do 80 by 80. Okay. And then the health value itself, we also don't need the image here. Health value, and that's not your fault, AJ. That's just me customizing the kit. And it's going to be right here. This is our health value. Same font size as the ammo. Copy the text here. 97. Health value, same thing. Paste component values. Ooh. 100. I don't like how spaced those are, but whatever. AJ, we need Kuro to be banned. Can you send Kuro into the pits?
I'ma put you in a timeout, boy.
Good job. Way to go, AJ. Thank you. So I feel like the heart should be tinier. Heart image. We'll scale it down to about 75 by 75. Let's hit play and take a look. It's fine. Okay. Damn coins we need to add a UI element to. You know, I feel like the just size is a little too big. So the health value can be the health size, I mean. How about 75 is officially the number we're going to go for. And then drag it down just a little bit. This one's going to be 75 as well. You know, but it's an interesting thing because is that one of the, that's one, okay. Whatever. Yeah, I guess maybe just the heart needs to be smaller now. So 65 by 65. How about 55 by 55? And then just push it over and then push it there. Yeah, it's hard to show the cross now in there, but let's double check. I think it's fine. It's not perfect, but it's fine. I feel like the heart needs to be pixelated more. All right. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna scale it down. And then we're gonna draw over it. Yeah, it just looks too detailed. That's a problem with pixel art. Welcome, welcome. Welcome all you new folks. How many of you are new to this Thomas Brush thing? You'll come to discover that you'll dream about me on a nightly basis. You're gonna love this whole concept of making a game with me. You'll dream, 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 dream. Well, that heart looks like crap. Kind of like it. Strangely enough. I like this heart, strangely enough. You know, if I moved it over, I could actually make it pointier. You can make this pointier. How's this heart look? That looks a lot better. I like that heart. That's our new heart. Save it. Go into Unity. Enter the UI. Drag this over here. There we go. Oopsies. UI heart. Apply. Vinicius says he's enjoying this channel by a lot. That heart looks better. Yes, it does. It looks so much better. I need to scratch the nettles. I need to put the nettles on my nipples. All right. Ammo. Push it over just a little bit. And then we jump right back in. Yeah, the weapon image needs to be a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger. 65 by 65. And then push it over just a tad. Oh, replace the axe with a pickaxe and coins with Bitcoin. That's a great idea. All right, let's hit play. We're getting that old school vibe. Don't worry, we're gonna add some glow to it and it's gonna look super cool. Maybe some animation. Okay. All looks pretty good. And now we just gotta do them coins. So what kind of, guys, this is an old school like demon hunter game, vampiric lore, demonology, Satanism, cult symbols. What do we collect as currency? Let's figure this out together. What do we collect as currency? What do we collect as currency? Let's go. Bibles, ears, bones, silver. I feel like silver is probably Dogecoin. Interesting. Crosses. Yeah, coins. I feel like they should be like old pirate coins or something. Bible pages. Pea juice. Gold coins, yeah. Yeah, I think gold coins is where we're gonna go. Yeah. Shillings. Yep. What? How about Reichsmarks? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. You can't call it that though, because you'll get. I don't think that you can put like Nazi stuff on games. Can you on the Steam store? But I love the idea of collecting old like Nazi currency. So the Reichsmark is. I just googled it. Yeah, these kind of coins. Yeah, a coin with like a sort of cultish symbol on it might be cool. What game? Oh, Wolfenstein does that? It does do that, but it's banned in certain countries, isn't it? Jeppy, hey buddy. Come here. Come on. Come on. Hello. Oh, you smell so good today. Paid actor. Yeah, he got a haircut. Hey, Joe. What's the matter with you? Are you hungry? Are you having a good day? Yeah, no, I'm not going to put any swastikas on stuff, but I am going to make like weird occultish symbols. So let's do that. Let's do something like that, okay? So Let's go ahead and design. We'll go from there. And I'm down with upside down crosses. Like, that's fine. All right, so this is gonna be really easy. We're gonna go, well, famous last words, right? We're gonna open up Blender. We're gonna go to New, General, go Save. And what do? We delete everything. We go to Add, Mesh, Cylinder. And this cylinder, man, it's gonna have like 3, or how about 6? Yeah, that's old school. I like that. Scale it, squash it, rotate it by 90 degrees, bring it up. There we go. You got yourself your coin. You know, I think it's probably needs a little bit more. So we're gonna try one more. Yeah, 8 is probably better. Scale, rotate by 90 degrees. All right, so there's our effing coin, and it's gonna have that collection sound. It's gonna feel so old. It's gonna feel great. And it's gonna be shiny. Put Jeb in the game, please. Inset. Inset the face. Extrude scale. And then scale along the Y. There we go. So we got ourselves a coin now. Look at that. Thomas wins again. It's always fun to win when your name is Thomas Rush. Shade smooth. No, we don't want it. Well, we're gonna shade smooth, but what we want to do is go to edit mode and then select all of the all of these edges here, and they're gonna be crisp. So what do you call this, guys? How do we make these crisp? Edge. Is it crease? I think that's it. Go to object mode. Did that do it? It didn't do it. I don't understand. What am I doing wrong here, guys? Crease? I am. Bevel? Nope, that didn't do it either. I mean, maybe it's just because there's no lighting. Sharp? Mark sharp? We're gonna do all of them. How's that? Well, we just did all of them, so that's good, I guess. All right, let's see what we got here. We're gonna create a cross. And listen, guys, if you ever want to make a cross creepy, obviously you flip it upside down, but you also do it really thin. Okay. It's not properly rotated. Crap. How many of you know the feeling of just constantly pressing between X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z on the keyboard. Rotate 90 degrees along the Y-axis. Will that do it? It will, okay. Scale. Did that do it? All right. We need to go to our add-ons. Edit preferences, add-ons, and then you just go to Bool tool. Hey, add on the Bool tool. And then you go F3, Union. Unify the cross. Unify the cross of Christ. There it is. Whatever awaits me, I will be ready. Whatever, what does he say? Whatever awaits, I'll be ready. Is that Reinhardt or Carrie? From, there's our coin. Hey, let's unify them all. Strange shapes, yes indeed. Let's make these faces not so effed up. Does anyone have a better solution to triangulate? Because I don't want to triangulate. Does anybody have a better solution? Loop cuts? I can't remember how to do a loop cut. Because this, look at this, the shading's all weird. That's why I'm doing it. Look, we're getting weird lines. Law, are you in the chat? Control L. No. Control R. Yeah, we can't loop cut the face here. What are you, crazy? No. Alt and recalculate normals. That's not going to do it. That won't do it. We're just going to poke them. Or triangulate. Now it's fixed. Whatever. Y'all lost. I win. Alright, we got ourselves a coin. Let's save it. And this thing's going to look so shiny. And you're just going to, when you grab it, you're going to feel so good. This will be a experiment in game feel. And we're going to use AJ's system. We're just gonna put it in the other. This is gonna be. Let's just create a folder called coin. Actually, it should be called coins because I can imagine we're gonna have multiple types. Break 2011 said, "Go, go, go, go." Say. have the coin. All right. Now let's go to Unity here. There's our walker. Guys, this is just our asset dump zone. We're obviously going to clear this up considerably. This right here. This is a coin. So let's see if AJ's system currently works. So this is the coin that AJ's created for us. Let's hit play. Let's go find it. There it is. I collected it, but there was no sound, which is fine. I believe that would be in the sound manager. Although, let's double check something here. Coin pickup. Okay. So that is our coin pickup sound for now. Let's just double check, make sure it all works. Good, okay. Now, the thing is, guys, with Game Feel, you want the box collider. Also, by the way, we want this to be 1 by 1 by 1. And no mesh renderer, and then we're gonna bring the coin inside of it. There's our coin. Then we're gonna make this not so effing big. And it doesn't have a material, so we gotta make sure we add a material to it. So let's go to material. We're gonna call this coin. Ooh, this music's making me want to cry. AJ says, every time my code is tested, I'm scared. Let's take a look, AJ. Your code's gonna be fine, buddy. Don't stress.
It's gonna be fine.
We're gonna, sorry. We're gonna extract the materials here. There's the coin, and we're gonna use, because I want these things to be glorious. Like I want when the user looks at this coin, I want them to think, I want that coin. That's what I want them to say. So let's go ahead and I don't really think it needs any sort of it might need some normal maps. Hector! AJ is in the chat. And what I always do is anytime AJ is talking, I
listen.
Because he's a smart guy. We're gonna add some rim lighting to this friend here. It'll be really, really beautiful rim lighting. But it's gonna be stylized. Also, this coin needs to rotate. Object. At a rate of 25. Hey, remember that pivot thing? Yeah, pick up pivot. We can actually just pull this in here and bloop, put it there. That way it also has the flare. Remember we have the flare here? But geez and crow, you know, this coin is huge. If we go back to the coin here, you'll see that it's massive. So let's double check here. So far, I'm telling you, I want to just wrap my lips around that coin. That is a beautiful coin. Obviously, it's spinning wild. Center it. Object, apply all transforms, and then I'll also set origin to the center of the geometry. Save. Go to Unity here. There it is. What the f... So we can delete the coin and bring it back in. It just got flipped weird for some reason. And then you zero it out. Good. 2 is fine, I believe, and then we'll just raise it up here. Let's take a look. Okay, so we might need to be doing a little bit of mapping here. What I mean is UV unwrapping, because it's kind of hard to see that cross. You need it to look a little bit bigger. Let's go to our coin here and just shrink this friend. You know, I really want it to be done inside a blender. So we'll do that, and then we'll do apply all transform, save. Back into Unity here. Good. So he looks good. But you know, the thing is like I said, we're gonna go ahead and do some unwrapping of the coin, okay? So, we unwrap. Mark C. Yeah. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. So remember, stop. Remember what we were gonna do here, guys? We were gonna try and mark seam, or oh, come on. There we go. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get mark a seam here. Yeah. So that we can change the colors of the faces and stuff. Same is true over here. Okay. Everyone loves their mama's smile. Everyone needs to be within a mile of their mother's smile. Smile, Mom. I love you. I love you. No, Jebby. Jefferson? No. No, sir. What are you talking about? Somebody said, wasn't this stream a Christian stream? Whoever told you this was a Christian stream? You know, the founder of the Catholic Church was crucified upside down. The first pope. Isn't that right, y'all? We need to merge these together. And these. So don't get mad at me about doing upside down crosses. Alright, let's unwrap this boy. Unwrap. See? Now we can change the colors. I like it. Rowan, it's never going to be lying on the floor. This is like an old school game, right? All right, let's export this UV layout, and this is going to be called the coin UV. Woo! You know, the truth is I really want to pack the islands, give them some margins. I know this is terrible, guys. Whatever. I just need some control over the colors. All right, so chill. Barat says, watching Thomas blend hurts my head. I agree with you 100%, but want to know something? It's going to look great. And you're going to say, well, he may be terrible at what he's doing, but it looks great. And I promise you that. Here we go. Here we go. I should have saved. No, we don't want to silly. Let's just coin UV. Open this up in Photoshop. Save it. It's gonna look so good. All right. A little bit of yellow here. And then all of the crosses right here will be red. Or black, you know, like onyx or something. At least that's what I'm assuming is going to happen here. So let's double check. All right, we drag this in right here. There we go. What did I tell you? Okay. So now we can see the beautiful. And then the interior piece here, it's going to be just a little bit darker. Okie dokie. Just a little bit darker. All right. Let's take a look. Where it is. Good. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Let's exit maximize on play. And we're going to turn on all of our effects. Okay. So first off, the coin shading is a little bit too smooth for my taste. So let's do crisp. There we go. The rim lighting. Oh, the stream. I'll be back. All right, it looks great. We back? We back? Is everybody here? That's just the way it goes around here in these parts of town. We always get stream lag in this part of this town. Hey, let's add some pixelation to this D coin. Watch this. We're gonna go to dirt. I copy that. I'm gonna smack it all over this coin. Okay. Do an overlay. There we go. Save it. Increase the brightness significantly. And the contrast. There we go. Save it. Go into Unity here. And then what we do... By the way, you just drop this down here. And then we take this same coin texture. Where is it? And then we just crush and compress it like crazy. There we go. It's a beautiful coin. I really like it, actually. I mean, that's pretty awesome. Yeah, obviously we don't want it to be red. Just chill. All right. Man, I want some more of that texture. So let's do this. Let's go. Yeah. There we go. Working on coins is like, it's really important. You want your coins to feel really grabbable. Where's the flare? It's up there. One flare here. One flare here. No. I think I'm down with just one flare maybe on both sides. Okay, let's try it out. It's so orange. I hate it. I hate that. I hate it all. There we go. We just need to give it a some kind of halo or glow. Okay. And honestly, there's no need to have the cross. It just, I just. Can we add a halo? Yeah, I think we can add a halo and get away with it. Let's try that. There we go. Yeah, I think that's fine. Maybe bring it down a little bit and then bring down the brightness just a tad. And then, on top of all of this, you really just want to have a big flare. So, one here. And then another one here. And that should... Theory is, you know, honestly, we could probably make the flare huge like that. And then remove that. And then this flare here, it is going to be, yep. I mean, we could probably do... We could do particles. Standard unlit. And then you would do soft particles. There we go. And it sort of just shines through it. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's try that, guys. Ready? Where's the D thing? Okay, I get it. So the flare here, it doesn't matter that it's 19. It's going to be 1 by 1 by 1 because the animator. So what you do is you go ahead and create a... what are we doing here? Ah, yes. Start size would be 12 and then 50. Actually, we're going to do 15 by 15. There we go. That should do it. Let's try it. Whoa, it's huge! And full brightness. Okay, so it's massive. So it's just gonna be a constant. And let's just do 6. Let's try that. I think that'll do it. Still pretty big. Very big. Okay. Sorry. How about 2? Let's do that. Okay, good. The color is going to be one color. And I think I want it to be naranja. There it is. Okay. The what is it? The halo is a little too small for my taste, actually. Let's double check. What if I turn that off? Yeah, I kind of like it better without it. All right, we don't like the halo. We're going to remove it. And then the actual flare itself is going to be a little bit more white. And that should do it for the coins. All right, good. The coins feel pretty delicious to collect. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to create a prefab variant out of this coin. I just feel like I should. So I'm going to do that. And obviously we need a coin collection sound. Hector, are you in the chat? Do you want to give me a coin collection sound? If not, I'm going to go and create one. Yeah. Someone's making pizza. By the way, guys, we have just a few promo codes left. These support my studio, help me keep streaming. So if you guys want to join full-time game dev, over 800 students. I think it's 2,000 students at this point. A lot of students. And a lot of students actually hang out in the chat. Guys, if you're in the chat and you're part of the program, feel free to say hello to everybody. But if you guys are interested in joining the program, there are just a couple codes left for today. These usually get used up by the end of the stream. If not the end of the stream, they get used up by the end of the day. And then they're no more. Gone. Let's do coin, drag it over here. But if you want to learn everything that I've learned in becoming a full-time game developer and honestly living a dream, this is a dream come true. Just making games and selling games on Nintendo Switch, Xbox, PS4, iOS, that kind of thing. If you're interested in that, I feel like there needs to be a light here. Let's put a light in the coin. If you're interested in that and not only learning how to secure funding, 6 figures in funding from publishers and also crowdfunding, which I've done multiple times, but also it's hitting the Steam front page with your game and just learning marketing tricks and marketing hacks to go full time. The program is well worth your time. It's got great reviews. Do I want a point light? I think I want a point light. Yeah. It's definitely well worth your time. And I could say that not from my own perspective, but because of, let's drag this all the way up here, because of my students. They all love the program. We have bi-monthly mastermind meetings. And then we also have a, there we go. There we go. Do I need to add just a little bit of light? I think that's kind of cool. I don't know though. Maybe not. And also an awesome Discord server. So if you guys are interested in that, that would be awesome. You check it out. Supports the channel. And best part is 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. 30 hours of content. Learn everything I've learned in becoming a full-time game developer. So the intensity is ridiculous, so we're going to set that on 1. And maybe it's just the range I need to increase. Let's see how that looks. I love glowy things. I don't know if it needs a point light, to be honest, guys. Let's double check something here. Let's hit play again. I want to make sure everything's destroying properly. Okay, I guess that's fine. I'd rather it destroy completely. But that's fine. Okay, so that's our coin. So now let's go to freesound.org and we're going to find a crunchy coin sound. Coin. It needs to be like a whoosh. No. I'll turn the volume up for you guys and we'll turn the music off really quick. All right. What am I doing? I just lost my train of thought. Oh, I need to turn up the volume for you guys. Oh, my head. Okay, that's what we're going to use, and I'm going to show you how, okay? The next thing I want to do is open up Logic Pro. Never mind. I should not be complaining in front of you guys. We're going to open up Logic Pro. Alrighty. File, new, close. Good, okay. This is going to be a software instrument. And I love just adding just a ding whenever I collect something. The best sound for that is usually, I mean, in my opinion, some of the keyboard stuff, like a Celesta. Let's create a new MIDI region, double click it, and then, nope. All right, what about double? Here's the thing about sounds, guys. You want the player to feel an instant, immediate effect when they collect something. So this is not realistic. If I touch a coin, it doesn't go bing. That doesn't happen. But in a video game, it does. So that's what we're going to do. But I don't know if I like the sound. There you go. You hear it now? There we go. Okay. So I don't know if I like that sound. Again, it's this. I don't know if I like it, so we're going to choose a harpsichord. And maybe a lower one. Ooh, hello. And then let's try one more. I want it to be, what do I want? A Steinway piano. Okay. Like a clicky ding. Maybe it'd be a synthesizer plucked. That's it. That's the sound. Okay. Double click. Delete all of them. Okay. Nope. And we're gonna do some combinations. There we go. That is interesting. Okay, take that, duplicate it, and then we're gonna go to our back to the Celeste. I guess we could try a Glockenspiel. Good. Okay, I like that. Then you go to your downloaded sound for the coins. Drag that in. And I believe back here is what I liked. That crunchy sound. Right there. I want it to be crunchy. There we go. Split it there. And then just pull this back here. Cut that. Erase. Okay, good guys. We're getting there. Stop asking me that question. All right. Just a very, very quick. And then obviously, the volume goes down for both. And this needs to be not so. We're going to get it perfect, guys, I promise. Just a very quick sound. It's just a little too long. More sound, one more sound. Okay, we're going to go a different route here. Okay, so what we can do is go to the Glockenspiel here, and we're going to go to the World Percussion, and we're going to go to the European Folk Kit. And there should be some... Ooh, I like that. This, we need to lower the pitch. So we're going to go to Pitch, Shifter, Stereo, drop it down. And then the... Okay, actually, we're going to move that. We're going to try that one, okay? We're going to try and get a good feel for it. Bring it up a little bit. Okay? And we're going to bounce that. Just as an MP3 is fine. We're going to bounce it into coins or assets. Sounds. You never really know how it feels until you try it. So in this case, we need to go to coin collect, and we're going to just save it out, and we're going to take a look at how it feels. So let's go to our coin here, coin pickup, and you'll notice that in the general, so if we go to sound manager, we need to add that coin in the general section here, which is just going to go coin collect. Okay. All right, let's try it out. Change the bit rate for what? The sound? Yeah, so we'll do where is it? Override sample rate and 30, yeah, something like this. Yeah. Gives it that crunchy feel. So we need to start at a higher bit rate for now. Okay, let's go to our coin here. And now we can do coin collect. There it is. And we're going to apply to our coin variant. And all I'm going to do is just copy paste a few of them here. And let's hit play. There's a good chance I'm going to hate it. Just FYI. So don't get all attached to it. I don't hate it. I think the volume's a little loud. I think it could be. I think it could feel way better. So we're going to bring the volume down to 1.3, and then we're going to go back to Logic Pro. Try again. It's really this sound I don't like. Let's mute that. Honestly, I feel like you could get away with just this. Nope, no. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Needs to be quick. I like that. We'll try that one. Coin collect, R2. We'll try that. Go back to our coin manager or our sound manager. We're just going to keep doing some tests here. Nope. We're going to go back to the drawing board. Go back to the drawing board. I like that one. Oh, I like that one. Oh, that's it. Let's open that up in Audacity. Make sure it's cut pretty quick. What I mean by cut pretty quick is the tail at the beginning is removed. Stop. That's great. Maybe lower it a little bit. And increase the volume. There we go. And then move it over a little bit. Yep, now it's balanced out. Export as wave. Sounds, coin collect, that's R4. Save it out. Jump back into Unity. Go to our sound manager. Add in that sound, which is R4. How does it sound when it's the sample rate's really low. Good, I like it. It definitely gives me those old school vibes, and that's what we're going for here. So let's go ahead and add that sound. And take a look. I'm getting weird Doppler effects. I liked it, now I don't. Let's try that. And then mix it with, we're gonna mix it with some coin sounds here. That one. There we go. Kind of like that sort of flip sound. Sounds like booka. It's kind of rewarding. All right, let's try that. R5. Jump back into Unity, guys. Go back to our sound manager. Make sure we add that sound in. We R5, right? Go back to the coin, and then just choose it. This one here. Try that. Kind of like that. Feel good about it. I feel like maybe we can try to add a like a older, what am I trying to say? Like a lower sound to it. Let's try that. So we bring in that coin collect sound. Yep. That to me feels good. Let's bounce that. And that's going to be coin collect. Some of you are probably thinking, why is he focusing so much on this? It's because you're going to be collecting these coins the whole game. So you really want to make sure that it's just the most satisfying sound. Okay, is that a wave or a MP3? Okay. All right. Let's try it. Let's go to our sound manager. Coin collect R6. Go to our coin itself. Add R6. Hit play. Whoops. Not playing for some reason. And we'll what? Okay. Then what we'll do is flash the screen when you collect it, of course. Always flash the screen. I like that. I don't like the it's a little thuddy. It's a little thuddy. So we're gonna remove the thud sound just a little bit. There we go. And then bounce that, and this is the final one. Okay. And we'll make the screen flash too, obviously. Good, okay. That feels good. One thing I did notice that I don't really like, I want my box collider to be a little bit bigger. So let's see if I can see it. Oh, that's a weird box collider. 1 by 1 by 1, zero it out, and maybe let's do 2 by 2 by 2, so it's pretty easy to collect. Okay, and that should hopefully, with all of our coins here, there we go, they're all set up appropriately. Now let's hit play and see how it feels. Yeah, you want it to be a little bit bigger. You don't want to have to touch it exactly where it is, so you just want to give the player plenty of room to collect. All right, so we're gonna do 3 by 3 by 3, and then finally the coin itself here. I think I want to go a little bit smaller, just a tiny bit smaller. Yep. Cool. All right. Now the flashing screen is going to make a huge, huge difference. Okay. So let's go up to our coin here. We have 1 coin. I want to see how it feels putting these in, like how they feel when they're on the ground. So if I go to my coin here, coin variant, I can just drag them, hopefully. Just drag them along the ground here. And it'll feel good. Sort of, I love walking down paths and collecting coins. That's one of my favorite things to do in a game. So therapeutic. So let's see if we can find the coins here. Okay. All right. So we need to make them a little bit floatier. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our coin variant here. The pickup pivot, I don't understand. Hold on. There we go. So the pickup pivot, we need to move up to about right here. There we go. And then we'll just move the box up a little bit too. There we go. Okay. So hopefully when a coin spawns, it's just about right there. Good. Okay, we can make those coins a little bit bigger now that I'm looking at it. Just a little bit bigger, right? Now let's go and try again. I think they need to be up a little bit. Love collecting items. So rewarding. That feels good. Okay, guys. I'm going to take a lunch break. And I will be right back. We have a lot of viewers today. Wow. I'm going to take a lunch break. I want to let you guys know that we still have 1 code left for today's live stream. So if you want to join Full-Time Game Dev, it's 40% off. Guys, this supports the channel. You want to learn how to secure 6 figures in funding, or at least learn what I did with just a demo, and also learn to secure 6 figures in funding for publishers and Kickstarter. Learn how to make your own 2D game, 3D game. Join a community of 1,800 students, Discord community, and bi-monthly mastermind meetings with me. There is I think 1 left. No, there's 2 left. 2 coupon codes left. So feel free to use those. 40% off. All right, I will be back streaming in an hour.